Visit us on onestepenglish.com. Lesson 20. Short answers. Let's learn English. Let's try to give short and quick answers.
We can answer using a positive response.
We can also answer using a negative response. Did Bert play with his toys?
Yes, he did.
Did Betty wash the dishes?
No, she didn't.
Did Matthew copy the homework?
No, he didn't. Did the teacher go to school today?
Yes, she did.
Did Bert read his books?
Yes, he did.
Did Bert get his food?
Yes, he did.
Did Matthew and Martin carry their goods?
No, they didn't. Did the people buy a lot of foods?
No, they didn't.
Did we pay for our grocery goods?
Yes, we did.
We can answer using a positive response.
Yes plus she, he, they, or more pronouns. Plus, did. Yes, she did.
We can also answer using a negative response.
No plus she, he, they, or more pronouns. Plus, didn't. No, she did not. Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Part 1.
Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct answer.
Number 1. Did Jackson play soccer?
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't.
Did Jackson play soccer?
Yes, he did.
Number 2. Did he help his sister?
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't.
Did he help his sister?
Yes, he did.
Number 3. Did you eat in the cafeteria?
Yes, I did.
No, I didn't.
Did you eat in the cafeteria?
Yes, I did.
Number 4. Did May find her cursive notebook?
Yes, she did.
No, she didn't.
Did May find her cursive notebook?
Yes, she did.
Number 5. Did she go to Paris?
Yes, she did.
No, she didn't.
Did she go to Paris?
Yes, she did.
Quiz number 1.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper. R.
U.
Ready.
Choose the correct answer.
Number 1. Did she read her essay?
Yes, she did.
No, she didn't.
Did she read her essay?
No, she didn't.
Number 2. Did Jasmine help her dad?
Yes, she did.
No, she didn't.
Did Jasmine help her dad?
No, she didn't.
Number 3. Did you write an essay?
No, I didn't.
Yes, I did.
Did you write an essay?
No, I didn't.
Number 4. Did Jason play the difficult game?
Yes, he did.
No, he didn't.
Did Jason play the difficult game?
No, he didn't.
Number 5. Did he play football with the dog?
No, he didn't.
Yes, he did.
Did he play football with the dog?
No, he didn't. Quiz number 2.
Part 1.
Ready your pencil and paper. R.
U.
Ready.
Choose the correct answer from the word bank.
Number 1. Did you sleep last night?
Did you sleep last night?
No, I didn't.
Number 2. Did Charis arrive on time?
Did Charis arrive on time?
No, she didn't.
Number 3. Did Nicole remember your birthday?
Did Nicole remember your birthday?
No, she didn't.
Number 4. Did Emman visit you last month?
Did Emman visit you last month?
No, he didn't.
Number 5. Did John lose his dog? Five. Did John lose his dog?
No, he didn't.
Number 1. Did John pass the exam?
Did John pass the exam?
Yes, he did.
Number 2. Did Janice need a dictionary?
Did Janice need a dictionary?
Yes, she did.
Number 3. Did Victoria like the movie?
Did Victoria like the movie?
Yes, she did.
Number 4. Did Anne have a good day?
Did Anne have a good day?
Yes, she did.
Number 5. Did you have a good time yesterday?
Did you have a good time yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Quiz number 2.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Fill in the blanks with the correct short answers.
Number 1. Did Charlotte go to a restaurant?
Did Charlotte go to a restaurant?
Yes, she did.
Number 2. Did his phone ring?
Did his phone ring?
No, he didn't.
Number 3. Did you cross the street?
Did you cross the street?
Yes, I did.
Number 4. Did she study all day?
Did she study all day?
Yes, she did.
Number 5. Did Jay say hello to you?
Did Jay say hello to you?
No, he didn't. Thank you.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.